Hey there, it's Megan with WTI, and this BOYA magic microphone really does it all. It can be used in so many different ways. It is hands down the most versatile microphone that I've used, and I have used several. It has two mini clip-on microphones that can be used when I want some audio that is a little lower profile and not so noticeable, but I can also use it as a single microphone. It provides super clean, crisp, clear audio, which is so important to me as a content creator. It has an AI noise cancellation feature, and I have found it so effective. I've been blown away by it. We live in an area with really high winds, and when those winds are howling, this house is so loud and creaky. Plus, my husband is often talking on work meetings. I have the washer and dryer going, so I have a lot of challenges when it comes to getting clean audio. I love how easy it is to activate the noise cancellation. I don't have to open up any apps and go into settings to activate it. All I have to do is give a single press of the button, and when I see that green light, I know the noise activation is going. Just take a listen to how well it works. So right now I have the noise cancellation feature enabled on the microphone, and I have my heater blowing right over my head. There's a storm brewing outside, and my washer is going. This BOYA microphone has been an absolute game changer for me, and it gives me so much more confidence when it comes to my content creation. But that's just my point of view.